Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Okay, so we have a lot to go over today. We are going to be looking at the accept method. The S, our socket, our s.accept. So we're actually going to need to also be opening up some command line files. So let's just go ahead, and if you have not done this before with me, just come up here, go to where you have your Python. So this is important, and you just type in cmd. So I already have two, and you need to open two because we're going to be running two separate Python files, the server and the client. So I'm not going to open them right now because I already have them sized so you can see them better. I made the fonts a little bit better, a little bit bigger so you can see it. And the reason why is because we're moving past here. We're going to be writing the code, but we can't really look at it because it's going to be sitting there waiting. So if I were to run this once I type it in, it'll actually lock up the shell. So all right, let's just get into it. So this is actually what the commands are. So it's going to be con and address, or conn, and so we're unpacking here, and accept. All right, so let's save this, and we're just gonna look at it. So all right, like I said, we need two. We're gonna layer these. So we're gonna run one, the server, or whatever file you called yours. So as you can see, it's sitting here. So if we were to have run this file, it would be locking up everything because it's literally sitting here waiting. So now we're going to come over and we have everything here, and then we're going to run our client.py. All right, so let's come back here and we see, okay, so we didn't crash. So now let's actually look and see what is going on. So let's print con. You can do this on the same lines, but let's do them separate so we can really see. All right, so save server. All right, let me see if I have this in the right location so you can see. All right, cool. All right, and run. Aha! So, all right. So I want to show you, this is a lot here, and I couldn't get this to wrap. I don't really know why. I didn't want to spend any more time on it, but you can look at it on your screen. But I do want to show you these two right here. Local, LADDR, and R, and then it does wrap over here, DDR, remote. So I want to show you that this is, let me bring this over a little bit more. There we go. There's our port, and then here's our return. This is our return connection right here. So let's go and look again what we did. So if by chance you have not seen this, we're literally unpacking two elements from here. And actually, I guess we can do a help on import socket. We're gonna have to do this the long way. Help socket, because I don't have these in memory because it would lock up everything. Socket dot accept. Close this out. Okay, so see, host address, port, socket address, address info. So that's what all of this is on this line right here, and then it carves out just the address. See how these two are similar? Right here, these are they're the exact same. So we are going to be doing a lot of going forward. We're going to be talking back and forth, and this is the beginnings of it. But we're going to be using two different command lines, and we're going to be showing how we're going to be shaking hands, if you haven't heard that term. So we were listening, we connected, we accepted, and then we're going to begin to send information back and forth. And we're going to do that step by step, just like everything we always do. So as always, guys, make sure you stay in tune until the end and checking out the videos that are going to be popping up beside me at the outro. And hit that, oh, nope, right here. I think it's right around here. The subscribe button if you have not subscribed before, and also make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.